Hey guys, me again. Don't know how much space I got on my phone right now, but man, I am sweating hard. Oh man, 1642. That's my 50 flights for the day. 1642. Came up pretty quick. My weight, 198 today. Woo! Oh man. Okay, I gotta make this quick because, like I said, I don't know how much space I got, but man, you just gotta work it, guys. Today is Thursday, June 18th, I think. Something like that, 18, 19. I think it's the 19th. Anyway, man, it's a lot of hard work, but man, you got to do it every day. I committed to doing it every day. I do it every day. So I hope you guys are sticking with your stuff, man. Keep going at it every day. Make a video of yourself. Post it online. Why not? I'll look at it. You look at my video, I'll look at your video. But anyway, it's all good. Oh, shoot. Did have to go to the dentist today, but still got in. Still got my walk-in. Didn't get most of my normal walking in, but I'll work on that when I go home or something. So there's always some time somewhere to make up for it. So you guys, I hope you're sticking with what you're doing, man. It's hot. I mean, it's hot outside. It's in the 90s. The stairwell is hot. Makes it harder. Makes me sweat more coming up, but man, I'm still doing it. So you guys, hang in there. Stay strong. Keep focused on what you're doing. Don't let people get you off course. Don't let people mess with you. Just block them out. Literally, I mean, sometimes I just envision like I'm in this soundproof capsule with like plexiglass all around me, and everyone else is on the outside, and they're, yapping, saying whatever. They might be trying to get a rise on me. They might just be talking, making noise, whatever. I might see them out of the corner of my eye, but I don't hear them, and I don't focus on it. I just focus on what I'm doing, and that's it, because you got to really, really focus and stay focused, because it's so easy to get off track, at least for me. So, I mean, it's something I work on. And remember, somebody says something's going to make you mad, you realize it, you say, ooh, okay, but then drop it. Just drop it immediately. Like I say, don't pick up the hot coals, man, because you're the only one that gets burnt. So people messing with you, somebody says something, things don't go your way, whatever, just realize that is something you could pick up, you could get mad over, you could sit there and obsess over and stress over it and get all bent out of shape. You could hold on to that thing, you could burn your hands all day, all night, and the only one in the end that gets hurt is you. And like they say, while you're holding a grudge, the guy that you're holding a grudge about is out dancing. So, it's like you're in control of so much of your life. You just need to stay focused on it, and don't let those things get inside of you. Don't let the negativity get in, take root, take hold. Don't sit there and dwell on it and let it cloud your vision for everything else that's positive in your life. So just stick to it. Stick with it, man. You can get there. You've got it. You've got what it takes. It's all within you. Anything that you are meant to do, it is already in you, and you need to bring it out. So just stay focused, keep doing what you're doing, and you'll get there. So, like I say, runners run in circles, but I climb to the top. Keep on climbing, and I'll see you next time.